Welcome to Scholarship Guidance Center. I am Anil Doshi sir, and today's topic is 5th Scholarship Intelligence Test Unit 4 Logical Reasoning in that others. Priyal is older than Anup but younger than Mayank. Sanskriti is of same age as that of Anup but older than Ashwini. Who is the oldest among them? Now see, Priyal is older than Anup. Again, Priyal is older than Anup. That's why I write here Priyal is older than Anup means Priyal ये जो है वो Anup से क्या है बड़ी है. Okay, this is Priyal and this is Anup. Okay, now but younger than Mayank. इसका मतलब ये जी प्रियल है, मयंक से क्या है यंगर है, मयंक से छोटी है. मीन्स मयंक क्या होगा इधर आएगा. ओके, मयंक ये क्या हो गया प्रिया से भी बड़ा हो गया, ये प्रियल से मयंक बड़ा हो गया. ठीक है, इतना समझा. उसके बाद संस्कृति इज ऑफ सेम एज एज दैट ऑफ अनूप. अनूप का जितना एज है सेम का मतलब इज इक्वल्स टू कौन है संस्कृति. ओके, नाउ बट ओल्डर देन अश्विनी. संस्कृति अश्विनी से क्या है बड़ी है, ओल्डर है मीन्स बड़ी. ओके, अश्विनी मीन्स इसका मतलब अश्विनी जो है वो संस्कृति से क्या हो गई छोटी हो गई. संस्कृति से छोटी है तो अरब से भी छोटी है, इससे भी छोटी है, इससे भी छोटी है. ओके, हु इज द ओल्डेस्ट अमंग्स देम. ओल्डेस्ट का मतलब जिधर ग्रेटर देन साइन है वो ओल्डेस्ट, तो कौन आएगा मयंक. मयंक का मतलब ऑप्शन नंबर 3 इज योर करेक्ट आंसर. ओके, पिंटू लाइक्स टू वॉच सिनेमा एज वेल एज रीड बुक्स. चिंटू लाइक्स टू ट्रैवल एज वेल एज लिसन टू म्यूजिक. मिंटू लाइक्स टू वॉच सिनेमा, read books and listen to music. Chintu likes to listen to music as well as travel. Which activity is the most popular? Now see, I write here how many activities are there? Cinema, then books reading, travel and music. Now see, Pintu likes to watch cinema as well as read books. Means cinema में first और book में first. Okay, दो activities. Chintu likes to travel as well as listen music. Now travel में 1, म्यूजिक में 1. ओके, मिंटू लाइक्स टू वॉच सिनेमा, सिनेमा में 2 एक्टिविटी हो गई. रीड बुक्स मीन्स रीड बुक्स में 2 हो गया. एंड लिसन टू म्यूजिक तीनों कर रहा है वो, चिंटू तीनों कर, मिंटू तीनों कर रहा है. ओके, गिंटू लाइक्स टू लिसन म्यूजिक, म्यूजिक में गिंटू 1. एज वेल एज ट्रैवल, ट्रैवल में इधर 2 आ गया. ठीक है, विच एक्टिविटी इज द मोस्ट पॉपुलर. नाउ सी हियर इट इज टोटल 2, total 2, total 2 and total 3. That means music is more popular. That is option number which one? 1 is your answer, music. Okay, very easy question. 200 chairs are arranged in a row in a theater. The order of the chairs 200 chairs are arranged in a row in a theater. The order of the chairs as per their colors is red, yellow, blue, green, orange, purple, red, yellow, blue, green, orange, purple, in this way. The chair of which color will occur at 100th place. Now see, total how many colors chairs are there. Now see here, first is red, red is first, then this is second, third, 4, orange 5 and purple 6. Again red, that means total 6 colors chairs are there. Okay, and therefore here 100 divided by 6, we have to do 100 divided by 6 because 6 colors chairs are there. 6 ones are 6, 4 carry. Okay, sorry, 4 remaining and that is 40. 6 6 are 36, again 4 remaining. That means total 16 rows are there and that is 16 groups. And how many chairs are remaining? 4 chairs are remaining. Okay, now see, these 16 groups are over up to red. Now these 4 chairs, out of these 4, red is first, yellow is second, blue is third, and green is fourth, and therefore your answer is green. Why I take 100? Because they ask the chair of which color will occur at 100 place. If they ask 120 number place, then we have to divide 120 by 6 in this way. Therefore your answer is green. If red is called orange, orange is called yellow, yellow is called green, green is called blue, and blue is called violet, then what is the color of midday sun? What is the color of midday sun? Midday means middle. Midday sun means middle sun, that is 12 noon. That is yellow in color. Okay. Now see here, yellow is called green, and therefore your answer is green. Okay. If bullock cart means aeroplane, aeroplane means ship, ship means cycle, cycle means railway, and railway means motor car, then which vehicle runs on the track? Okay, very easy. Which vehicle runs on the track? Railway. Okay, railway runs on track. Okay, but railway means, here railway means motor car, and therefore your answer is option number 2, that is motor car. The next question is, at which time does the hour hand and the minute hand of a clock make right angle? Okay, very easy question. That is at 6 o'clock. No, here 6 o'clock in this way, 6 here and 12 here, 180 degree. 12 o'clock, 0 degree. 3:30, not possible. Then one option remaining is 9 o'clock. Then which of the following is incorrect time in clock? Okay, which of the following is incorrect time? Now see here, 7:30, yes, it is possible. 12:50 is possible. 10:35 is possible, but 2:65, this is not possible, and therefore your answer is 2:65. Option number 3 is your correct answer. Every 3 years, the river in the village floods. There was a flood 15 years ago to the village river. On the basis of these statements, which precise conclusion can be drawn? Now see, first one is, river will be flooded the next year. They say river would be flooded next year. Then river was flooded the previous year. River will be flooded this year itself. Now see here, river will be flooded the next year. Now every 3 years the river in the village floods. Okay, there was a flood 15 years ago to the village river. Now see, 15 years ago there was a flood. 15 years ago. Then ago means before. 15 के बाद 12 years ago. 12 के बाद 9 years ago. 3 years ago. And now 0 years ago. Means this year river have flood. Okay. Therefore your answer is river will be flooded this year itself. Okay. That is option number 3 is your answer. Then next one is, some students in the class play guitar. All guitar players are musicians. Now conclusion is, all musicians in the class play guitar. Some students in the class are musicians. Now see here, 9 statement. Now see, from statement A, the conclusion is D. See here, some students in the class play guitar. Now see, statement A is, some students in the class play guitar. That means some students in the class are musicians. Some of the students are musicians. Okay. Now see here, all guitar players are musicians. All guitar players are musicians. It means those students, okay, from the statement D, we can conclude those students who do not play guitar may be musicians. Here, all guitar players musician. Okay, all musicians in the class play guitar. म्हणजे ज्यांच्याकडे गिटार नाहीये ते पण म्युझिशियन असू शकतात, बरोबर. देन here, so here conclusion C means all musicians in the class play guitar. They said all guitar players are musicians, but all musicians are not play guitar. That means conclusion C is your wrong. Okay, conclusion C is wrong. Then C is incorrect and conclusion D is correct. Now see answer. C incorrect, D correct. C incorrect, D correct. That is option number 3 is your correct answer. In a code language, line is called point, point is called ray, ray is called triangle, triangle is called quadrilateral, quadrilateral is called circle, and circle is called rectangle. Circle is called rectangle. Then in the same code language, in which figure a chord can be drawn. Now see, chord can be drawn on a circle. You know, chord means point joining 2 points on the circle, that is called chord. Now chord can be drawn on circle, but see here, circle is called as rectangle, and therefore your answer is option number 4, rectangle. Now next one is, the town A is less populated than that of town B. The town C is more populated than that of town B. The population of the town D is more than that of the population of town B. Which is the least populated town? The town A is less populated than that of town B. Now see, I write here, town A is less means less than that of town B, less populated that of town B. Now the town C is more populated than of town B. Now see here, C is more populated means C is greater than B. Okay, C is greater than B. The population of the town D is more than that of the population of B, means D, I write here D. More means greater than. Okay, greater than population of town B. B is greater than population of town B. Now see here, first I write suppose A is less than, see here, A is less than B. Okay, now see here, this B is less than C and D. Okay, B is less than C, B is less than C as well as D. B is less than C and D, and therefore which is the least populated C, सबसे छोटा कौन सा है? A. That means option choice A is your correct answer. In a basket, the number of yellow flowers is less than the number of red flowers by 6. Okay, the number of red flowers is more than the number of orange flowers by 8. Which color flowers are least in number? Now see, suppose I take red flowers. Suppose I consider these red flowers are 10. Suppose red flowers are 10 in number. Now see, number of yellow flowers is less than the number of red flowers by 6. Means yellow flower, see here I write number of yellow flowers is equals to less than 6, means 10 minus 6. That means yellow flowers are 4. Okay, the number of red flowers is less than the number of white flowers by 3. Okay, म्हणजे याचा अर्थ व्हाईट फ्लावर काय झाले, सगळ्यात मोठे झाले ना. व्हाईट फ्लावर सोडून द्या, मग म्हणजे काय ना, रेड फ्लावर मीन्स 10 प्लस व्हाईट फ्लावर 3 में जास्त है, 10 प्लस 3 दैट इज व्हाईट फ्लावर्स आर 13. व्हाईट फ्लावर कितना होगा, 10 प्लस 3, बिकॉज रेड इज 10 एंड मोर देन द नंबर ऑफ रेड फ्लावर्स इज लेस देन नंबर ऑफ व्हाइट फ्लावर्स बाय 3 मींस इसका मतलब व्हाइट फ्लावर्स रेड से 3 गुना 3 से ज्यादा है +3. ओके, these are white flowers. Okay, 13 are white flowers. The number of red flowers is more than the number of orange flowers by 8. Okay, the number of red flowers means 10. Okay, number of red flowers is equals to, okay, more than means plus, okay, 8 किससे, orange flower से. See, number of red flowers means 10, is equals to more than means plus 8 by orange flowers means O plus 8. ओके, तो orange कितना होगा, orange 10 plus 8 का इधर क्या होगा, ये साइड में रहेगा -8. that means orange are 2. now see, orange flowers 2, this white flowers 13 and yellow flowers 4. that means orange is the least and therefore your answer is option number 4, that is orange flowers. Next, the bed of the river P is smaller than that of river F. Now see, bed of river P is smaller than means here less than F. River P is less than F. The bed of river B is smaller than that of A. Now see, B is smaller than that of A. B is smaller, okay, and the bed of river A, now bed of river A is larger का मतलब is greater than river F. A F से बड़ा है. okay, now see, according to size which river has second largest bed. now see, अगर मैं ऑर्डर लगाता हूँ तो देखो सबसे छोटा क्या आएगा, P सबसे छोटा है, F से छोटा है, F A से छोटा है, इसका मतलब A B से बड़ा है, तो P सबसे क्या हो जाएगा, इन ऑर्डर छोटा हो जाएगा P. अभी P छोटा किससे है, देखो F से. ओके, P is less than F and F is less than, here F is less than A. ओके, P is less than F, F is less than A. अभी देखो सेकेंड लार्जेस्ट जो है तो क्या आ सकता है, एक तो F आ सकता है और B का तो डिटरमाइन नहीं कर सकते. देखो B is less than A, they said B is less than A और F is also less than A, तो B and F दोनों A से लेस है, तो सेकेंड लार्जेस्ट दो आंसर आ सकते हैं, एक तो B आ सकता है या F भी आ सकता है. ओके, तो B और F दोनों आंसर तो इधर नहीं है, तो योर आंसर आएगा डाटा insufficient, that is option number 4. Pakoda is less spicy than vada. Now I write here pakoda for P, less spicy than vada. Okay, then pakoda is less spicy than misal. Okay, I write here pakoda less spicy than misal. Then chutney is more spicy than vada. Now I write here chutney is more spicy than vada. I write chutney. See, more spicy means greater than vada. Okay, chutney vada से क्या है, more spicy है. Now see, misal is less spicy than chutney. Misal is less spicy than chutney. Misal chutney से less spicy है. Okay, now which is the more spicy between vada and misal? Which is the most spicy between vada and misal? Okay, now here this pakoda is less spicy than vada. Pakoda is less spicy than misal. Okay, chutney is more spicy than vada. But what is this? Misal is less spicy than chutney. But vada and misal, what about vada and misal? They don't give relation between vada and misal and ask which is the more spicy between vada and misal. उन्होंने vada and misal के बारे में कुछ भी नहीं दिया है, बराबर. वड़ा एंड मिसल कुछ नहीं दिया, तो वड़ा एंड मिसल के बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन ही नहीं है, एंड देयरफॉर more spicy between them can't be determined. That means data insufficient. That is your answer. Radio is called TV, TV is called cinema, cinema is called play, and play is called documentary. Then what do we watch on the big screen? Now here in big screen we watch cinema, but now here cinema is called play. Okay, cinema is called play, and therefore your answer is option choice 3, that is play is your correct answer. Well is called stream, stream is called river, river is called sea, and sea is called canal. Which of the following does originate in the district Nashik? Now see, in district Nashik Godavari river originates in district Nashik, but here river is called, what river is called? River is called sea, and therefore we can write answer as Godavari sea. Why we write sea? Because river is called sea. Then next, if calf is called cub, cub is called lamb, lamb is called kitten, and kitten is called kid. Kid is called puppy. Then what is the young ones of sheep called? Okay. Now here young ones of sheep. Young ones of sheep is called lamb. And now here lamb is called kitten. And therefore your option is option number 3, kitten. That is your option number 3 is your answer. At what time does the minute hand and the hour hand in the clock appears in a straight line? Now see, suppose I draw clock here, suppose this is the clock, at 6 o'clock here, 6 o'clock they appear in a straight line, that means 6, option number 2nd. Now next one is, all kings are mighty, few kings are sensitive. Which correct conclusion can be drawn from the above statements? Okay, now here few kings are not mighty, but here they say all kings are mighty, therefore first statement is wrong. All kings are sensitive, they said few kings are sensitive, second statement is also wrong. Few mighty kings are sensitive, yes, here all kings are mighty, but few mighty kings are sensitive. Option number 3 is your correct answer. Now next one is, exam started from Monday. Daily there was one paper. The first paper was the paper of language. See, first paper is paper of language. I write here language. In between Marathi and English paper was environment 2 paper. Now see, English and Marathi, इसके बीच में EVS 2 environment 2 paper in between English and Marathi. Okay, maths paper was after English paper. English paper के बाद इधर बीच में क्या है? मैथ्स है. English के बाद मैथ्स. Okay, maths paper was after English paper. On the third day after environment 2 paper was EVS 1 paper. EVS 2 के बाद क्या है? EVS 1. Okay, EVS 1. On which day was maths paper? तो maths paper कौन से डे में है ये पूछा है हमें. Exam started from Monday. Therefore I write here Monday. Okay, first one is Monday, then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, okay, Friday and Saturday. Okay, now see, exam started from Monday. Daily there was one paper. The first paper was language. Monday को language. Okay, then in between Marathi and English paper. in between Marathi and English. I write here Marathi and English. Sorry, English I write here because in between Marathi and English paper, they said in between Marathi and English paper was EVS 2 पेपर. Therefore मराठी इंग्लिश के बीच में आएगा अपना EVS 2 पेपर. ओके, मैथ्स पेपर वॉज आफ्टर इंग्लिश पेपर. इंग्लिश के बाद आ रहा है मैथ्स. देन योर क्वेश्चन इज ऑन द थर्ड डे आफ्टर EVS 2 पेपर वॉज EVS 1 पेपर. वो जाने दो. ऑन विच डे वॉज मैथ्स पेपर. नाउ सी, मैथ्स पेपर इज ऑन Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. That is option number 4 is your correct answer.